7 favorite Amazon finds for this month. These bag clips that are perfect for food storage. This extendable drying rack with suction cups so that it can be attached on any smooth surface. These hanger clips that are perfect for saving a lot of space in your closet. This foldable and compact clothes steamer that will become a college or travel essential. This sink splash guard and draining mat that prevents water stains from the faucet splashing or leaking. This detachable kitchen caddy that works for both kitchen and washrooms. This cool drink dispenser that keeps carbonated beverages from going flat and is the perfect addition for hosting.
6 unique Amazon finds. This is a cute earrings holder with a mirror finish display and mini hangers that will keep them tangle-free. This is a collapsible water bottle that is lightweight, reusable, leak-proof, and perfect for taking with you during your physical activity days. This is a dust-proof skincare organizer that is the perfect addition to your vanity table. This is a collapsible charcuterie board that is perfect for hosting and is the ultimate crowd pleaser. This is a cute tissue box holder that is perfect for your desk and also doubles as a phone holder. This is a veggies container that's perfect for storing your cut vegetables and keeping them fresh for much longer.